Hey everybody, welcome back to my shop. Hey, I apologize about the light flicker. It's from my American flag out front, so unfortunately I'm not taking it down, and this is where we're going to do the video today, so I apologize about any of the light flicker. Let's see if I can't lock the white balance off here for you. Doesn't look like I can, so we'll just leave it as it is. I apologize, it might be a little dark. So, I got in the mail today, actually yesterday, my Smith equipment, the little torch. I've been wanting one of these because I've been using a full-size torch, full-size acetylene torch, and they get too hot, okay? They'll melt right through that. So this will be nice. I can add, it'll be a little smaller, a little more control over the heat. Looks like it's made by Smith Equipment at Lockheed Avenue, Watertown, South Dakota. For electronics, crafts, industrial, nail sculptures, made in the USA. Dental lab, jewelry repair. Now I have a little bit of a problem with this product. Now, I bought it, I'll explain that to you in a minute, but I want to complain about the made in the USA part. I ordered it from China. Now I knew when I ordered it from China that it was a knockoff of the Smith little torch. I wanted to try out what a knockoff one was. I don't have the money myself, I can't afford. Disabled. I do YouTube videos for fun. I make jewelry for fun, knife making for fun, blacksmithing for fun, but I don't have the energy to prolong to do for a very long time, so I don't make a whole lot, and therefore on my Etsy store I don't sell. Well, I've sold one thing so far, and that was to a friend on a piece of jewelry for Castleman research awareness so that I could raise some money for Castleman's disease. But I knew this was a knockoff. I didn't realize it was going to come in a Smith, the little torch with sapphires box. And I didn't expect it to say that it was made in the USA, because we know it's not made in the USA. This was made in China. Copied the torch. Sold it for a substantial less amount of money. And I'm sorry, not providing any money to Smith, who created this thing, but down the road, if I start making lots of money, I promise I will buy a proper Smith. But as I've done with my ring making kit here, it's a knockoff of a Pepe Tools. I don't use this part. I have to order Pepe Tool blades, so Pepe Tools does make a little bit of money off me, but it's not set up right. I have broken more blades than I probably should have. Therefore, I probably given Pepe Tools enough money in blades that I could have actually just bought the real thing. So, coming back to this, I mean, everything looks authentic. I mean, everything looks like the Smith tools, with these little slide-on connectors there, the little slide-on connectors there. You know, that part unscrews. Little tip screw on. It says it has sapphires. It said the smallest sizes have sapphires tips. So this part right here, this is the, no, that's not the smallest tip I've got. I've got a 3 right here. That's the smallest I have, and obviously that size doesn't come with ruby tips. So I don't think any of them this knockoff comes with. has ruby tips, but that being said, you know, what can I say? So, comes with everything I need. I've got to maneuver my tanks so I can hook up to the regulators. But I don't have to just use acetylene. I can use hydrogen, propane, polypropylene, MPS, and others. But the smallest two tips, which if they're talking about 3s and 4s, because I know you can get 1s and 2s. I don't know if 3s and 4s require propane or not, but require acetylene or hydrogen only, but that's what it says in here. I've got over 50 years experience in oxy-fuel equipment. I know Smith does. I don't know if this company does. So, taking a look at it here, it is a very small setup. I like it. It's going to allow me to get in small, do some small soldering. It's not going to give me a flame out here like this, where, you know, if I get down to here to work on it, it's too close and burns it up. So, I just thought I would do a little show and tell, gripe about how Chinese products, and then I know it was made in China, and I ordered it with that intent, but this isn't the only product that I've ever ordered that comes from China that says made in the USA. I mean, the booklet looks like they took the booklet right out of the box of a original one and just did an identical copy to it. I doubt this is going to have a lifetime warranty. Things like that. Does show you what you can get. So this says it goes down to a size 2. So 2 and 3. Well, this says 2 acetylene and hydrogen only. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 are acetylene, hydrogen, propane, polypropylene, natural gas, and city gas. I don't know what city gas is. I think it's natural gas. But I'm probably going to use oxygen and propane just because it's not as hot. And it's cheap. Cheaper than acetylene. Save my acetylene for actually cutting steel with it. So again, I'm going to go put these away before I lose these. And we're going to move away from my MAP gas torch setup and go to a propane acetylene setup with this. If you have any questions, please comment below. Please like, subscribe. If you want to donate money, you can. You're not required to. All my videos are free, always will be. But you can go over to my Patreon, link down below. And ladies and gentlemen, I want you to have a safe day, safe month, safe year. Let's get 2020 going in a better direction than the way it's been going this year. And let's just have some fun. We'll talk to you later, everybody, and have a good one.